Well, guys, it finally happened. I got into my first motorcycle accident. Two cars in front of me, the car in the very front hit their brakes, and the car I was following didn't see until the last minute, so they slammed their brakes. And I may have been following a little too close, may have been not paying attention that much, but luckily the bike is pretty good. Fairings took all the damage, frame was okay, rims, tires, forks, all fine. Yeah, front stay took the hell of it though. So I lost all my fenders, side fairings, front fairings. Left a nice little dent on the gas tank with my nuts. That was fun. But other than that, bike is okay, engine is good. So I figured we might as well do a rebuild series. Not that anything's really in need of repair other than the fairings and whatnot, but now might be a good time to address some damage from the previous owner. Do some upgrades like the cooling system, and just try some new ideas out with the bike. Should be pretty fun, so I hope you stick around. And as a general reminder, stay safe out there, wear your gear, pay attention to what's around you, especially what's in front of you. And yeah, I'll see you out there.